Hey, welcome to the MIRTEC booth here at SMT Connect. I'm joined by Holger Hansman, who's the General Manager for Europe. Nice to see you, Holger.
Hi, Trevor. Nice to have you here in our booth.
Yeah, thank you. So, I mean, you've got quite a range of different inspection equipment here and in your portfolio. I think your standard machine, your stable machine is your MV6. That's your biggest seller.
That's correct.
Yeah, and that's supported by, you have a benchtop model, the MV3.
That's correct. MV3 is a benchtop model, yes.
Yeah, and then you have a higher volume model, I believe, the MV9. Is that correct?
That's correct. The higher is MV9, which is used for, let's say, highest throughput, higher accuracy, but let's say the bread and butter machine is a MV6. Yes.
MV6, okay, yeah, we've seen that many times. You do have some other new machines that are coming on board. I mean, we at Apex earlier this year, we saw the one for pin measurement, which was called the Genesis pin. You've got another one that's come out on the Genesis family for micro LEDs. Can you tell us something about that?
Yes, it's besides the pin inspection, which is going up to 50 millimeter pins, we have the LED inspection machine. Here we have a live connection to our headquarters, and this is specialized on mini LEDs for the inspection. And here you have some specific algorithms which are created, and this machine is running well, so we hope to get a lot of customers from this business area.
Right, yeah, well certainly the mini LEDs is going to be a significant growing business over the next year or two.
Yeah. It started all in the automotive industry. You know, everybody's LED, and so it's coming more and more. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now, of course, connecting all these machines together, you've got the Intellisys system and the TRMS management software. Any upgrades to that? Any changes to that recently?
No, but we are widening the range with, or let's say, we are starting to offer some AI-based software tools. We are showing here the AI classification, which is helping the customer to reduce the fault calls and the handling. So everything is to improve the quality for the customer. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So what trends are you seeing here amongst manufacturers in Europe? I mean, I'm looking at your list of customers behind me, which is quite an impressive array. But there's a lot of them are involved in automotive, for example. Is that a sweet spot for you here in Europe?
We are the exclusive supplier of one big German automotive company, but at the end, we can supply to the big companies, like the automotive companies, suppliers, then as well to the middle class and small companies. So for every kind of company, every size of the business, we have inspection solutions available. For example, a small company is not able to establish an inline production. So they will have island solution, and sometimes they only need a benchtop system. Right. And here we can offer this tabletop system, benchtop system, and as well the middle class. The middle class companies are. We have a lot of them in Germany, so this is definitely the biggest customer group where we are sending machines, where we are selling machines, and besides this as well, automotive. Yes, of course.
Okay, that's good. So, great. I think the other thing I was going to ask you about was what sort of resolution you're getting down to now on your MV6 machine. What sort of resolution, what sort of cameras are you using in there?
We are going down to 10 micron. Yeah. On the standard machine, we have some special applications where we can much more down. But with the standard machines, it's typically 10 or 15 micron, and depends on what is the smallest component size which the customer is using. Right.
Yeah. And so you tailor it to meet what the customer's use case is.
Right.
Okay, excellent, good. Great. Well, this is the first time back with SMT Connect for a couple of years, so I hope it's a good show for you. And
thank you.
I want to thank you for coming and telling us about MIRTEC today.
Thank you, Trevor. It was our pleasure. Thank you.
At Kaizen, we know it's the science that makes the difference. The right solutions happen when you care enough to ask the right questions. And we understand that your performance is directly related to ours. Science knows why it works, care knows why it's important.